Yo, what is up guys? It is your boy Mighty Madurista with a very special video. Now today, as you have clicked on the title, you're probably thinking, oh, this is going to be a great shoe review, and you're right, it is. Now the shoe I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing might actually be the summer shoe of the year. Now last year, the summer shoe of the year was the Ultra Boost and the NMDs. Actually, there were two shoes, which are those. And it was Adidas' year last year and the year before, because the Boost has completely changed up the sneaker market and Nike has been taking those late. But Nike has been coming out with some stuff such as the Vapor Maxes last year, which did alright. But these kicks right in front of me are Nike's answer to the Ultra Boost. And when I mean Nike's answer to the Ultra Boost, it is literally the direct response to the Ultra Boost. And yes, I am talking about the Nike Epic React. Now before you click away from this video thinking, oh, I've already seen 50 of these videos, I've actually copped these shoes way earlier, but I decided to get an in-depth, feel for them to tell you guys, are these really worth the cop? Are they comfortable? Are they worth the hype? They even hyped us up with doing an Instagram stream showing that the world's gonna stop. I mean, these shoes has sold out so quickly with 4 colorways, and Nike said that they're going to be releasing new colorways in the near future. So I'll also give you guys some tips on how to not take an L the next drop. By the way, smack a like if you would like me to do a Ultra Boost versus Nike Epic React video. So as you can see right away when you open the box, it is right there under the normal white wrapping paper. And of course, I decided to get the best colorway that was released, which was the Ice White with the Volt Pink. This was by far the most popular colorway that was out there, and it sold out super quick. And it kind of gives me that summer vibe to it, when you're going out running and, you're doing your thing, it kind of really stands out. Now, these are retailed for $150 US, which is alright, a little bit more on the expensive side, but it is cheaper than the Adidas Ultra Boost, which retail for $180. Now the upper half of the shoe is mainly comprised of Nike's Flyknit technology, which is basically what gives you that sock-like feel, similar to what is on the Primeknit Uncaged Ultra Boosts. And as you can see, there are holes around the shoe, especially near the toe box, which kind of gives you that ventilation which is needed when you're running, because this is really meant to be an actual running shoe. Now as we move to the laces, they're pretty much normal laces. There's nothing much to say, but there are plastic tabs to keep the holes from the laces not tearing apart, so you don't have to worry about that. Now as we go to the top line of the shoe, obviously it is very elastic and it wraps around your ankle, which is the Flyknit feature, but I do have one complaint, in which it kinda is a little bit rough when it goes on your ankles, but it's a small issue and it's kinda a little bit minor. It is worth to note that you aren't gonna be wearing, your traditional long socks, and I would suggest to go to socks that are even below the ankle, because that's what the shoe looks best for. And that's kind of like the summer style that they're trying to go for. As we go into the shoe, there's not really much. There's no padding. It's literally just the React technology right under it. Similar to what you find in the Ultra Boosts, in which there's just one sole pad and the rest is literally the sole of the shoe that's giving you the actual comfort. So basically, I think we're just gonna have to say goodbye to the Lunar Epics. I'm not sure if they're gonna be making them anymore. So can we please have a moment of remembrance for the Lunar Epics? Alright, that's enough of that. And if you didn't think it was that impressive, it is actually 5% lighter than before. So they kind of went all in for this shoe. I mean, I wasn't kidding when they banked on this shoe. It actually states on their website that Nike chemists, I didn't know they had chemists, spent 3 years testing the new materials after 400 combinations. So pretty much Nike has spent the last 3 years taking L's after seeing the Ultra Boost gaining so much success, but little did they know that they had something under their belt. Now let's move on to how the shoe actually feels. In my opinion, it does not really feel all that squishy. It does get a little bit bouncy once you start running. It is pretty firm and rigid, so it's not really like walking on, marshmallows or something like that. It's a little bit more, I don't know how to explain it, but it's kind of more sturdy. But I can definitely feel how light the shoe actually is. Now when you feel the soles or the foam material, it kind of feels like styrofoam, but kind of like less hollow. And it does feel pretty durable. Now these two bluish icy pads kind of help facilitate the shoe and make them a little bit more, stronger when you're putting your foot down, because basically you go heel toe when you're running, and that's basically the main parts that needs to be sturdy. And as we go on to the back, you can see the loophole that says Nike Epic React. It is yellow, and I kind of like that. It's pretty cool, kind of offsets the whole thing. It doesn't look like it matches throughout the whole shoe, but it makes the shoe stands out, which is what I love about this specific colorway. And also you can see there is the label Nike written on the blue part near the back, and there's also that one streak of reflective material. And now we're gonna move on to the night test, because I believe that every shoe looks different between day and night. I toss and turn, keep stressing my shout out to Kid Cudi, that's a great song. But anyways, as you can see, the shoe just looks even more poppin' during at night. The colors stand out even more, especially the yellow and the pink. And when you turn it around, you can see that the reflectors reflect, of course, and you can see the Nike inscription on the blue part of the shoe. Overall, these kicks looks pretty dope. I believe Nike did a great job. I kind of give the shoe a 4 out of 5, took out 1 star because I expected it to be much more comfortable, since they were hyping the shoe up so much. They kind of need to fix that area in the top line too. It kind of irritates my ankle a little bit. I don't know if that's gonna break out over time. But yeah, to get these shoes, they're actually out right now with limited stocks and limited colorways on Nike.com, because some people, return shoes, and they sometimes find people cancel orders. So get them now, boys, so you can be like Kevin Hart.
Whoa! What's up? Why's everybody going this way?
But it's been your boy, Mighty Madrista, and until next time, guys, peace.